The town of Sylvan Lake hosted a cannabis legalization open house last week, an opportunity to educate people about the different federal and provincial regulations, as well as what's been left to individual municipalities to decide. Town staff and council continues to seek feedback from residents on the topic, and Mayor Sean McIntyre says the feedback they've had so far has been as diverse as the town's population.
So we've had some people who are very much for it and they want as little regulation as possible. We've had other people on the other side of the spectrum as well saying, you know, what can we do to prevent this from coming to our community?
McIntyre adds the reality is the province and feds have already made the big decisions for better or worse.
We're left with little at the municipal level, and that is mostly contained within our land use bylaw and where retail locations may be located or permitted, and the other is our smoke-free bylaw and where cannabis may be consumed on a public level.
A few of the regulations the town is proposing involves restricting cannabis retailers from opening their business 150 meters from schools, the health and Nexor centers, possible separation between cannabis and liquor stores, and even a mandatory distance between cannabis retailers. So far, only 4 people have contacted the town inquiring about more info for opening a store, but haven't had any locations in mind. Administration will continue to take in information before they develop their first reading of the land use bylaw, which will come later this summer for council to consider.